Hello, hello. People are joining and I'm gonna tell you what today's topic is. So we are continuing with the challenges, and the idea I got for today was putting a rock or a large stone into an Ikebana arrangement. So to find stones for me was not so difficult. I have some in the garden. I got, I know if it's visible, they're quite shiny, nice stones. Here we have moss, and we have even some succulents growing on the stone. Definitely something very inspiring for me. And even just a stone with a little bit of moss and this shine, that's already kind of a good start for a composition. First of all, we need to find a way to stabilize them. I do not want to lay them like this. It's not going to make any impression, it's not going to give any movement if we just leave them like that. So what I found, I was a little bit looking for the props I can use. This kind of strange vase I have, I never used it before, I just got it recently. It's something like composite material looking like cement. So I'm thinking this can be a nice holder. What I like about this stone is that it has like the bottom part of it is a bit pointy. So we can, if we lay it this way, it doesn't have to lay on the full surface, so it can actually be balanced a bit so that it is having some air underneath. So, and the thought was to use this stone, like it has a nice vein in it, and somehow combine the two and use this vase for like vertical stabilization. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. Maybe I switch the side, because this one is more flat, and I can rest it a little bit with the table. Okay, I like this better, so there is some space underneath, and there is this movement of different grains of the stone. So there is more diagonal movement to it. And then in terms of flowers, I had a few different options here, and I have today my little helper with me. My daughter is at home, so. And I was looking for some larger flowers, some large stones, large flowers, and then she just came and suggested like, oh, why don't we put just a little bit of those pink flowers inside of the vase, and that's it. And I thought that that was a brilliant idea. So that's what we are gonna go with. A little bit of very tender flowers for some contrast. A little mass of flowers in this natural landscape. So what do you think? And don't forget to subscribe and to set up the notifications, so next time I post the video, you'd be the first one to know. Until next time.